In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a wish list to your Shopify store using an app. If you want customers to save products for later and return to buy, adding a wish list is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. No coding required. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Open your dashboard and head to Apps and Sales Channels. From there, click Shopify App Store. This takes you to the marketplace where you can safely find and install tools that plug into your store. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Wishlist. You'll see popular options like Wishlist Plus, Wishlist King, and Wishify. Take a moment to compare them. Look for free plans or trials, how the Wishlist button appears on your site, whether customers can save items without creating an account, and whether the app supports analytics or email reminders. Reviews and screenshots are helpful for understanding how the button looks and how setup feels. Once you've picked the app that fits your needs, click Add App and follow the prompts to install. You may be asked to approve permissions so the app can display buttons on your storefront and store wishlist data. Don't worry, these apps are built to work within Shopify's ecosystem, and you can remove them later if you change your mind. After installation, the app will guide you through configuration. This is where you decide how the wishlist appears. You can usually choose a floating icon, a link in the header, or a button on product pages. Match the button style to your brand by adjusting colors, text, and icons. If you sell on mobile heavily, consider a floating button or a clearly labeled product page action so it's easy to tap. Save your changes as you go to lock in the design you like. Some apps also need to be enabled within your theme. If you see that prompt, open Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. In the Theme Editor, look for a Wishlist section, App Block, or Toggle in your theme settings. Add or enable it on key templates like the product page and possibly the header. Preview your store to confirm the button appears where you expect. Before wrapping up, click around your storefront as a customer would. Try saving an item, viewing the wishlist page, and removing a product. Check both desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks clean. If something feels off, return to the app settings or the theme editor to adjust placement or styling. And that's it. Your wish list is live, helping shoppers save favorites and come back to purchase when they're ready.